Hello everybody and welcome back to Minecraft with me, the Gray Gamer, and our year-long Let's Play in the frozen tundra. And yeah, we're working on our cabin here in the last episode. And what I want to do is I'm thinking I want to go ahead and match this up a little bit, and then I have to go outside and do a little bit of stuff as well. But I think right now anyway I want to do this just to have some continuity, if you will. And then do we want to break this and this? What I'm thinking. And let's go out here and let's get up on our roof. We've got this pillar here that is helping us. Okay, that didn't work. Oh, there's a way to get up here. Okay, so let's see, we need a block here, 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 and then we needed some over here in the corner right there. So let me yeah, okay, kind of makes some sort of kind of sense, right? Okay, I want to jump off of here and we want to head over to this island over here. What I'm getting at is I want to put another beacon over here on this island so that we can know where we are in relationship to stuff and things. So what I want to do is I want to build a pretty good sized beacon right here, and then when I get up high enough, I'm going to hold on to some of this cobble, but when I get up high enough, I want to go ahead and put torches all around this as well. Okay. Slide out here, Gray. Whoa! Note to self. How are you going to get down? You're going to jump off in that water, right? And you're not going to hit your face on the ice. That's the plan, right? That's the strategy. You're not going to hit that water. No way. Not over there anyway. You might be in a world of hurt there, buddy. Just saying. Nope, you're not going to hit that side either. All right, let me put in a couple more torches and then, okay, maybe not. Yeah. What was I going to do? Yeah, I was going to fall to my death. Okay. I left that on purpose, right? Making a crafting bench. Because professional Minecrafters always make extra crafting benches. Okay, here goes the Gray Gamer out on a boat. First time this series, Watch. Now I'm going to find my shipwreck. There's supposed to be a shipwreck out here. The Grey Dawn is the name of my ship. Wow. What is that? The underwater grotto. Oh, does this fall off? No. What? Oh, you know what? I might have to utilize this in the future. Let's torchify it, shall we? Figure out how to run the boat. You can do it, Gray. Oh, yeah. I'm liking this, especially if we can have a curtain of water across the whole entrance there. Oh, yeah. Okay, you're going to go in that direction, but that's... Okay, I'm going forward. What happened? What happened to my boat? Did I hit bubbles? And therefore my boat sank? I don't know. Don't know what happened there. Because it's not supposed to do that thing where it breaks when you crash anymore, does it? Or am I mistaken? I might be mistaken. And I also might be going in the wrong direction. Okay, there's the goats up top, and I don't necessarily want to get into a fight with the goats. But am I in a different biome? There definitely looks like there's some oaks up there. So that is what I'm going for. In other words, I'm trying to find additional tree types. But it's also nighttime. And it might not be the right time for being out here. You know what I mean? I'm going to go ahead and get my boat, though, because if I don't come back here, I want to be able to jump in my boat and go. Would have been good if you'd have brought an extra bed, Gray. That might have been a good idea. Okay. Enough resource gathering. Let's cross over this water. And let's get up here. Collecting resources as I go, folks. Also, marking my pathway. Might be a good idea to keep it covered up as much as possible, Gray, so stuff doesn't fall on your head. Just saying. You're done, buddy. Let me eat a potato. Regenerate my health. Creeper! Goats! All kinds of goats. More creepers. Where are the Where are the oaks? Where are the oaks? I thought there were oaks up here. Oh, man. Okay, I'm gonna die. Spider's killing me. No, oh, come on, man. Well, note to self. Sleep before you go over there. Oh, by the way, you guys notice something? I changed the rule on that too. Keep inventory. I know. Cheaty McCheatyson. I know, but I hate that, having to try to go back and get your body. Did you guys see any oaks over there? Because I didn't see any oaks. But I was kind of distracted. So now I'm thinking, we might have to go back over there, but go farther. Farther around. You know what I mean? By the way, we will be keeping track of how many times we died. And I killed myself in that one because that's definitely oak. Right? Am I seeing something different? Oh, that's oak. That's oak, definitely oak. And maybe we can borrow some cows, is my idea. Meaning we can get some cows to come over and we can set up a little bit of a farm situation. Excuse me, goat, but I'm going to cut down a tree. I might not get the whole thing cut down because it's one of these ugly ones. It's an ugly oak. But I will try my best because I don't want to leave hanging oak, hovering oak tree. But I definitely want some wood, and I definitely want some saplings if we can get them. We're gonna lift ourselves up in here. And did I just break my axe? Yes, I did. See if we can get these logs out of here. Might not get them all. In other words, there might still be some hiding up in here. Don't know. An apple. Very good. Another apple. All right. Are we getting all of them? I'm getting some saplings. That's always good. All right. I think that's all of the wood. Hello, cow. We might come back for you, buddy. Just so you know, you're wanted. I mean that in a good way, buddy. I mean it in a good way. You did all that work, and there's an easy one right there. Really? Really, Gray? Really, really, Gray? Okay. So let's make another crafting bench, because I'm pro. And let's make a axe or two. Probably don't need more than two because we're running out of inventory space. Maybe we don't need the snowballs, and maybe we don't need the stripped oak. I don't know. That might be a thing. Might be a thing. Let's throw this out. There we go. Make room. All right. Got another oak here. And then that should do us for the oak. Do we take the bench? No, we don't take the bench. Because we pro. We pro like that. Can't leave the coal sitting here though, guys. Really. How did I get 10 levels? I just died. Did I get all my levels back because I kept my stuff? And that doesn't make any sense. I mean, because I didn't go anywhere back where my stuff was. Wow, okay. All right, then. We're talking lots of saplings. Wow. Okay, I think we are set up for oak saplings. Should I venture forth from the water? Is what I'm thinking. Okay, so I need to work my way around the island. And I'm kind of looking for spruce. No, not spruce. Birch. Now. There's some sugar cane. Do I need to get that? There's some horses. Horses. Nice gray horses too. I like it. Okay. You know what's going to happen, folks, and it's probably already happened, and that is I'm going to be lost. Because if this doesn't go all the way around back to my cave, waterfall cave that I found, then I'm going to be hard pressed to find my way back. It might take 10 episodes just to get back. Some doggies. I mean, they're wolves, but they're called dogs once you tame them, so that's kind of weird. I mean, I guess wolves that are domesticated. All right, I just passed Turtle Beach. I say that because I saw the turtles. Okay, so now, I don't think this is we're still not on the right side of the island. And I don't know, like I said, I don't know if I can get to, oh, there's some birch. Let's go into this bay here and make our way over to those birch. Do I have room for birch in my inventory? Maybe. And we're done with the timer. All right. Well, let me get my boat. And we'll leave off right here. Mark the spot with my torch. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And next time, i.e. tomorrow, we will try and make our way back to our home base. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking me out. I do appreciate it. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all those things, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.